Hi, my name is Luke. I'm here to take you on a gardening journey from the beginning, the garden impossible, to where we are actually going right now. So, the garden is structured here in three areas. There is the most sunny area, there's the middle sunny area, and the less sunny area. And today I'm working on the most sunny area. And on this most sunny area, I'm working on garden access. And in this, I mean the path that is leading to our back door is full of mud and when it rains. So the solution that I have now is I've bought some stones which I think are going to help in erosion protection. So there are 7 of them. I'm going to try to lay them down and see which fits. And if they are not enough, I'll just go and buy maybe more. One costs €2.50. So my main aim is to spend as less as possible in the garden at the beginning to keep the cost as low as possible, because this is a rented property. And so you would want to keep the cost also as little as possible whilst you're moving on. So, all right, that's about it for today. Let me say we are in almost in week 7. Having moved in on the 1st of March 2026, and the garden is progressing very well. It is not where it is supposed to be, but it is not where it was. So if you want to see the documentation of how this process is going on, I think you would like to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Hi, so I'm back again in the garden, and this is the problem area that we're working on today. I've already explained what I'm going to do. These are the stones that I bought that I think are going to act as an erosion protection. So if I put them here, lined up like this, that should be able to help the soil from not coming down and interfering with water flow here on this path. So I have 7 of them. So the challenge that I have now is to put all this up